This cannot be a movement of fear. You know, the Regenaissance needs to be a movement of attraction.
And maybe feel how the whole forest is observing us. The trees, the birds, the animals, maybe sensing or feeling like if you could root as all these trees surrounding, growing deep into the earth, and find a way to connect your heart center with the center of the earth.
So this was the intention when we purchased this land, was to go on an exploratory journey and show people that, you know, farming is not just an industry. A farm is not just a destination. A farm can be a church. A farm can be a temple. A farm can be the place where the community gathers. As we pray on the land, the vibrations of our hearts and our prayers spreads to all the living and sentient beings on this land. And as we cultivate this land, we are actually consuming our own prayers. Over time, as we continue to pray and celebrate on the land that we are living and we are feeding from, we are creating a harmony between us and nature.
Pachamama, Mother Earth, Pachamama, Gaia.
We need to be in service of nature. But we need to, in our hearts, decide that this is what we are solving for. It's not a condition to be met while solving for growth or profit. So what we are solving for is harmony with nature.
And maybe, breath by breath, to then entering into this frequency of the forest, the surroundings.